All right, if you guys are watching this video, you probably have the same issue I do. This outlet in the back of the armrest here in your truck is super loose and things do not stay plugged into it. So today I am going to replace that. Got this one really cheap on Amazon. I'll put a link to it in the description and show you how to update this with a new one. First thing we're gonna do is just take a flathead screwdriver, and I'm just gonna kind of lift right here on this little flap, and it popped out nicely. So we're just gonna go ahead and pull this out the rest of the way. And it should come out and still be attached. If yours isn't attached, you can reach in and grab this wiring. So this just has one really big tab here on the back that is super easy to squeeze and release. So a great little connector. Pop the new one out of the box. It looks identical. Just mate this little connector back up, snap it into place, and pop it back in. And it is literally a 1-minute job. So the new one actually clips closed like it should now. This is nice and tight, and your electrical connection will stay tight and not fall out. So please give the video a thumbs up, guys. Subscribe to the channel, and you can see some more F-350 content.